Hello everyone, my name is Kunal and one of the trainers at EnglishWise. In this video, we'll be talking about read alouds, which is one of the most important questions in speaking and carries a really high mark. In read alouds, there will be a paragraph in front of you, and as the question says, you have to say the paragraph as it is. Now, in read alouds, it contributes around 30 marks in your speaking section and also 30 marks in your reading section. If you get it done 100%, you're more likely to get good marks in your reading. And also, since it's the first score section in your exam, it really sets you up for the rest of the exam as well. So basically, for your read alouds, you get 30 seconds of preparation time, and then you have 40 seconds to record your answer. Just getting into the technicality of read alouds, that how it is scored, you're marked on three things: your content, your pronunciation, and your oral fluency. The reading marks you'll be getting from the content. Basically, you lose marks in reading for each replacement, omission, or insertion of a word. Your speaking marks will mostly depend on your pronunciation and your oral fluency. Pronunciation means you are not taking long pauses or random pauses, and you're not hesitating much when you are repeating the paragraph in front of you. Then you have the pronunciation, which means how clear you are with the words when you're actually repeating the whole paragraph. Few of the strategies you can follow to do well in the read alouds is read aloud the paragraph once in your preparation time. When you get that 30 seconds, it's really important because when the recording actually starts, you're more confident about reading it aloud. So after the 30 seconds is over, you will hear a beep sound and you have to start speaking within first 3 seconds of the recording time. Otherwise, nothing gets recorded. For getting good marks, just avoid the extra pauses, additions, omissions, and repetition of words. Be really loud and clear and have medium pace to score well in this. One of the hacks you can use while doing read alouds is, if there's a difficult word which is really hard for you to pronounce, you can replace that word with another word like something. Let's do an example of read aloud. So I will read aloud a paragraph. In comparing material with non-material culture, the first being the objects and technologies we create, and the second are custom beliefs and attitudes, the speaker gives greater emphasis to the material culture. He gives the example of the development of the genetic science and the benefits it has brought to mankind despite a fair amount of opposition. Now, you have to be really clear with your S and EDs because it's a form of addition, and this won't transfer to your reading score if you don't say it properly. So some tips for you guys to do read alouds well. First thing is prepare well in that 30 seconds so you're actually really confident when the recording actually starts. Second thing would be, please do not stress on words and read the sentence as a sentence and not individual words. I hope after watching this video you're more clear about the read alouds and hoping that you can follow these strategies to get your desired score. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.